Are you ready to revolutionize the future of agriculture? Step into a world of innovation, technology, and sustainable farming with the ICTQual Level 6 Diploma in Agriculture Engineering. Global Training and Certification Services is offering a comprehensive 3-year program designed to equip students with the knowledge and skills needed to excel in the dynamic field of agricultural engineering. Offering 360 credits, this diploma combines in-depth theoretical learning with hands-on practical experience, covering key areas such as soil science, irrigation systems. This course is not only internationally recognized but also British Council verifiable, ensuring its global credibility. Additionally, it is 𝒂𝒓𝒂𝒏 and 𝒂𝒓𝒂𝒏 attestable, making it the ideal choice for those seeking international job opportunities or e-commerce renewal. This course has 36 mandatory units with 360 credits which will be completed in 3 years. Each year, you'll study 12 units and earn 120 credits. To join the ICTQual Level 6 Diploma in Agriculture Engineering, you'll need to be at least 18 years old and have a Level 5 qualification in a related field or A-levels. A strong passion for agriculture and engineering is essential. While prior experience in mechanics, engineering, or agriculture is a plus, it's not mandatory. Non-native English speakers must provide proof of English proficiency. This program offers 2 pathways to earn the ICTQual Level 6 Diploma in Agriculture Engineering. For new learners, start by enrolling at an ICTQual approved training center. Engage in comprehensive theoretical and practical training sessions designed to empower your learning journey. Showcase your knowledge through assignments aligned with course learning outcomes. Upon successful completion, earn the prestigious ICTQual Level 6 Diploma and take your career to new heights. For experienced candidates, with a minimum of 6 years of verified experience, showcase your skills through a comprehensive competence assessment. Submit evidence of relevant job roles and tasks, and undergo a knowledge check to identify any skills gaps. Once verified, you'll be awarded the prestigious diploma, recognizing your professional achievements and expertise. Enroll now in this transformative course. Validate your expertise, enhance your skills, and earn a globally recognized diploma. Call us on +92 336 054 7664 or visit www.tgtcs.com.